Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you? I hope you are doing great, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your twin flame, your soulmate reading for the month of April. I hope it resonates with you, but please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So this is the general twin flame soulmate collective reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you, so take according to your situation. Now let's start your twin flame soulmate reading. Let's see what are the messages. I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck. So let's start your reading. Please, guide, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? By the book. Okay. Never ending story. Please give me TikTok. Breathe. One more. One more message. Please give me one more message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Please give me, wow, soulmates. See. So you are the soulmate is coming for you, Aquarius. You need to take some breathe. Breathe some time. Take a breathe, because soulmate is coming for you here, Aquarius. This is the divine timing, the TikTok, the divine timing. Things are coming according to the divine timing. You do not have to, okay, be impatient. Have patience and have some breathe, because soulmate is coming for you. You are going through by the book, okay. You're doing your surrender and you're going through your book, and some of you are thinking that it is a never ending story, but you are not listening that you are having wings. You can use your wings and you can fly. You are not using the mirror and the wings. There are things which you can come out from by this situation. Let me clarify this. Why there is by the book? Please help me out to clarify this. But beautiful things are coming for you. A soulmate is coming for you here, okay. A soulmate is coming for you. You just need to take a breath. Let's start your clarification. Why there is by the book? This is Knight of Wands and this is Six of Wands. So you are going by the book. You're getting success, recognition, victory by going by the book, okay. Why there is never ending story here? Six of Pentacles and King of Cups. You want equal amount of give and take here, and maybe you are trying to give equal amount of give and take to someone here, but there is no balance here, Aquarius. There is Star and there is Two of Pentacles. So there is, you are juggling a lot to bring a balance in a situation, but there is no balance in a situation. Why there is TikTok? Maybe this person tell you that I'm going to give you equal amount of give and take, and this person loves you. This person gives you a lot of emotions. There is, this person is available to you here. They are giving you the emotions, the cup, but there is no balance in a situation. Let me see why there is TikTok. Can you see how this is 6 and 9? The number synchronicities are here. You are coming towards a calmer waters, and you are finally getting to know that yes, you are single, abundant. You are getting your highest self here. You're becoming the best version of yourself. That's why the divine timing is coming for you. Why there is breathe? Why there is breathe here? Please tell me why there is breathe. Too many cards. Please tell me why there is breathe. The star. This is for you. New hopes, new desires are coming for you, Aquarius. Breathe. Okay, new things are coming for you. You need to take rest, breathe. Why there is soulmate here? See, death and page of wands. Bottom of the deck I'm having devil. So whatever toxicity was there, that situation is going to end for you. Transformation, and there is new beginning. Page of wands is here. So there is new beginning which is coming for you here. Whatever toxicity was there, that is going to end. Why there is soulmate? Can you please tell me more? No, they're asking me to stop. Okay, I'll stop. Five of Cups and Six of Cups. So this is also a soulmate card here. There is someone from your past who is feeling very sad, remorse, guilt. Okay, they're very sorry and they're coming towards you here, Aquarius. This is someone from your past, and this is also a soulmate card. Okay, you both know each other very well. So this is the message. Let me see what are the messages. 5 messages from this deck. Please give me 5 messages for twin flame. Wow. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me one more message for Aquarius. There are a lot of options here, Aquarius, to choose. You are having a lot of options to choose. So the divine is saying that choose wisely here. There is light and there is hope which is coming for you. Keep your hope with you. Light is there. Light and hope are coming for you. And here I am having obstacle and challenges and the authority, the emperor. Whatever obstacle and challenges are you are facing, you just need to take the authority of your life. That's why the situation, that's why it is happening in your life, that you need to cross that obstacle and challenges, and you have to be in this energy of emperor. That's why the challenges are here. Let's see more. Let's see more messages. Thank you for giving the messages from the Divine Energy Oracle. Forgive and forget. Love yourself and focus on success. So you need to love yourself here, Aquarius. Love yourself, forgive and forget, and focus on the success. That's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's add some messages from True Love reading cards. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Wow. Yin yang and distorted masculine. So there is someone, this means that this is your divine counterpart. You're dealing with, some of you are dealing with your divine counterpart, but your divine counterpart, the divine masculine, is not divine masculine. This divine masculine is not ready right now. The divine masculine is the distorted masculine here. Can you see? This is someone who is a distorted masculine. But you are dealing with your twin flame, your yin yang. But your divine masculine is the distorted masculine right now. Maybe they are trying to do, maybe intimacy card is here. Right now, maybe you are doing dating with them. And the divine is saying that do some dating and intimacy is here. The silver waterfall. Take care of yourselves. Bottom of the deck, I'm having soulmates. See. Wow. Connection. Some of you are going to meet your soulmates here. That's the new connection which is coming for you here. Soulmates and the soulmates who are in soulmate journey. So that you are going to meet your soulmates. Soulmate connection is coming for you. Soulmate is coming for you. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what is the thing which you need to surrender here. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me the messages. What are the things which Aquarius twin flame reading? What is the thing they need to surrender? What is the thing they need to surrender? Surrender to your intuitions. Your intuition is trying to tell you something here, Aquarius. Use your intuitions. Time to tune into your inner voices. Be aware of any gut feeling, flashes, knowing, or aha moments that come through to guide you. So these are the messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from your soul purpose. What is the soul purpose for April? Adversity. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn, because there are obstacles and challenges which are coming for you. 1133 was the recording reading time, and you need to accept this soul purpose, the soul the soul lesson of adversity, that whatever challenges are coming for you, these challenges are the best way to learn. Okay, so beautiful message. Let's add one message from Power of Love. What is the message for Aquarius? Friendliness. You are able to recognize traits in common with another in order to forge love-based connections. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what is the life purpose of Aquarius for this twin flame soulmate reading. Okay, there is options, and there is sensitivity, and there is support. Your life purpose fully supports you. Okay, there is sensitivity. You are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly here. Then there is options. Consider the career or possibilities that are open to you. So maybe you are changing your career, and there are career possibilities, there career change, which are career change possibilities which are open for you. There are a lot of options which are available for you here. So you can change your career accordingly. Okay, let me get all the cards, make some space. Okay, so let's add some message from the angels and ancestors for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What are the messages for Aquarius? Wow, see again, High Priestess, harness mystic power. You are having intuition powers here, Aquarius. Your intuition is trying to tell you something. So focus on your intuitions. Right now you are very intuitive here. There is fire guardian, ignite your passion here. There is animal guardian, trust your instinct. See, same message. Trust your instinct, trust your gut feeling. You are right now having a lot of intuitions inside of you. Beautiful message. Let's see. Thank you, angels and ancestors, for giving the message to my Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from the angels. Transformation. There is angelic protection. manifestation and healing energy. Bottom of the deck, I'm having romance and connections. Beautiful cards. There are romance and connections which are coming for you because you are doing your manifestation here. Your manifestation is coming for you. There is a healing energy which is there for you here, Aquarius. You becoming the transformation is taking place for you. There is an angelic protection. You are not alone. There is an angelic protection which is available for you. There is an angel who is taking care of you. Beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages. Perfect time and yes. So this is the perfect time here. Perfect timing is here. And there is yes. So you 1551 was the recording reading time. Within the few next weeks. Okay. Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having forgiveness. Okay. So these are the three messages which I'm having for you from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some messages from angels. Dancing with the angels. And I love this deck. I always tell this. What are the message? Game of snake and ladders and oneness. Okay. So game of snake and ladders. Angels are guiding you every step of the way and ask you to mindful of the choices you make. As the saying goes, higher the rise, greater the fall. Armed with guidance from angels, work on your weakness, distance yourself from ego, pride, jealousy and anger. So this is the message which I am getting for you. Then there is oneness. Angel reassure you that you are protected and guided by one of the ascended masters whom you love and worship. Beautiful and very powerful message. See, angelic protection. You are being protected here. Thank you, angels, for giving the messages. Let's add some message from the tarot. Twin Flame Tarot deck. What are the messages for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading? Chakra balancing, galactic downloads and confusion. So you need to balance your chakra here, Aquarius. Okay, chakra balancing is required. Chakra balancing is required here. There is ascension, rising into soul's light, shedding old limitations. Okay. There is galactic downloads, ascension, light code upgrades. There is transformation which is taking place for you. Okay. So there is confusion, resolve doubts to open up to love. Maybe you are having some kind of confusion. So resolve that confusion. Then there is detachment. Release yourself from any end results. So these are the messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. Reach out to your soul tribe and do not settle for less what you truly deserves. Okay, do not settle for less what you truly deserves. Reach out to your soul tribe. These two wants to come out, and these are the messages from your universe, from the universe. Let me see any other message for Aquarius. Okay, you deserve to be loved for who you are. Spend some time helping others. And this was the same message I was getting in your general in your next twin flame reading, which I do, the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Work on raising your self-worth. Expand your horizon. 3 messages was there. Never dim your light for anyone else. Learn to forgive yourself and others. Listen and sharpen your intuitive skills. Beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see messages from your or love oracle. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Wow, chemistry and reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning back here, Aquarius, with whom you are having beautiful chemistry. There is too many cards. Too many cards. Calling in your soulmate and passion. Bottom of the deck, I'm having give your relationship a chance. Okay, give your relationship a chance. There is someone from your past, reconciliation. There is someone from your past who is coming back here. You both are having beautiful chemistry and passion. Chemistry and passion is here. You are calling in your soulmate, and here I'm having soulmate card again. So there is someone soulmate which is coming for you, Aquarius. Soulmate is coming for you, that is for sure. Okay, I'm getting soulmate card from 3 decks. From my 3 decks I can say that. Can you see the soulmate and the soulmate? Because you are doing the manifestation, you are calling your soulmate, and when you are calling your soulmate is coming for you. Beautiful. Let's add some messages from your divine masculine. What are the messages they want to tell you? What are the things they want to tell? Too many messages. What are the messages divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine for Aquarius? What are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, Aquarius? This was there right now. Okay. So thank you for being you. You light up my world. So they want to say that you light up their world. 2233. You sound sexy over the phone. So they like your voice here, Aquarius. You are always there when I need you. 2244. So that's what they want to tell you. You inspire me to become the best version of myself. Sometimes I wonder if saying I am sorry is enough. So these are the messages. Let's add some more messages from your divine masculine. What are the messages from the divine masculine? Any other message for this reading? Okay. They are watching you from a distance. They are watching you from the distance. Okay, I will pick it up later. I find it hard to trust myself. Close heart chakra. I feel emotionally distant and numb. So they find hard to forgive themselves, trust themselves, forgive themselves here. The thought of losing you gives me anxiety. They love you, divine feminines, Aquarius. They love you, and they feel very anxiety. Okay, if they think that they will lose you, they feel anxiety, lot of anxiety. I am healing my inner child, and you are healing my soul without even realizing it. So they are doing the healing here. They are healing their inner child, and they want you to know that you are healing them even you don't know about it. Beautiful. So these are the messages from your divine masculine. Let's see what are the messages from the divine feminine. If Aquarius divine feminine masculine are watching this video, let's see what are the messages from the divine feminine to the masculine. They want to say what are the messages from the divine feminine. Wow, this is beautiful. Why I'm saying that? Okay, let me tell you that. You both are having closed heart chakra. Can you see? You both are having closed block heart chakra. You need to do your heart chakra meditation opening here, divine masculine or the divine feminine, whoever is watching this video. You both are having blocked closed heart chakra, because in divine masculine also I got the closed heart chakra, and I am having blocked heart chakra divine feminines. I feel disconnected from myself, emotionally numb. Beautiful. When I am chasing you, I am running from myself. So these are the messages from the divine feminine. Okay, I wanted to make love to you right now. I am safe, loved and protected. I am sorry I pushed you away. So these are the messages. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs which Aquarius dealing with? What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? There is Sagittarius. There can be an Aries, Cancer, Sagittarius, Aquarius. What are the signs Aquarius are dealing with? What are the signs? They can be a Gemini. Okay. They can be a Libra here. They can be a Gemini. They can be a Virgo. And they can be a Capricorn. Okay, let's add more signs, elements, days and the months which you may be dealing with. They can be a Pisces here. They can be a Leo. What are the signs? They can be a March baby here. They can be a air and fire. They can be earth and water. What are the signs? Okay, they can be a fire and earth element here. They can be a Taurus. They can be a November baby. They can be a water and earth. What are the signs? They can be a February baby. Okay. Okay, any other sign? Okay, they can be a water and air. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with, or you are having these signs in your chart. Okay, let's add some charms and then I'm going to close out your reading. There can be a Libra here. There is owl which is coming for you, Aquarius. You are right now very much intuitive. Use your intuition skills here. There is an angel's feather here which I am getting. I am going to show you like this. You are having angel with you. Angelic guidance is here. There are two feathers which I am having. So there can be two angels which are supporting you. There is a hand here which is very good fortune which is coming for you. And I don't know the meaning of this. You can let me know in the comment section what is the meaning of this. But this is very good luck, good fortune is here. There is clove leaf, golden clove leaf. Good luck, good fortune, good time is coming for you. And there is tree. So wisdom of tree is here. Spend some time in nature. So these are the charms for your reading. I hope it resonates with you. This was your reading for the month of April. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.